Welcome to Cornell. This video is going to show you how to apply for housing. Go to housing.cornell.edu, select residential programs, and then apply to housing. You're a newly admitted student, so you want to log in with your Cornell Net ID and password, and select undergraduate. You want to select the application for 2020-21 academic year, and then you're going to be on our welcome page. This is going to go over some deadlines, important information to review, and if you have a medical condition that may require a special housing accommodation, how to do so. The first page of the application, you'll rank your room type preferences. You will need to rank all 4 room types. The room types are single, double, triple, and quad. On the next page, you'll be able to select your community preferences. You may notice that there aren't individual residence halls listed. First-year students cannot select a specific residence hall as a preference. However, if they're interested in living in a residence hall, they can certainly list it as one of their preferences. In addition, there are the 9 program houses, townhouses, and for female-identified students, Balch Residence Hall for women. If you select any program house, on the following page, you'll be asked to explain why a program house. And this information is going to go directly to the leadership in that program house to determine if you're a good fit or not for that house. If you're applying to multiple program houses, please use this opportunity in this space to individually explain why you are interested in each additional program house. The following pages are optional, but they are helpful. First is the lifestyle questionnaire. This is your opportunity to share how you plan on using the room and what your habits are. The next page, you can choose a roommate by identifying a roommate through NetID, by looking at people that match you, or by letting us offer suggestions for people that you may be compatible with. The next section is about gender-inclusive housing. If you're interested in living with people that identify differently than you do on the gender spectrum, here's where you'd enter that information. And then finally, the last page, you want to submit your application. Now at any point, you can go back in and edit sections of your application. Simply hover over that section, click through, and make edits.